Hello everyone, it's Pagoda Insider here and welcome back to our educational video series. Today we walk into a new tutorial about Paras, an NFT marketplace built on a star network that enables an easy way to buy, sell, and mint NFTs. In this video today, we have an in-depth learning about Paras and how to use this notable NFT marketplace. Let's check it out. Paras is an NFT marketplace that focuses on digital collectibles. The team thrived upon bringing conventional collectibles to the crypto space. Paras started with digital art cards that were inspired by real-world trading cards that have been bulletproof and forever lasting since they were introduced back in the 80s. The team believes that every single physical art form needs to be stored and digitized to keep it future-proof. Alright, so we just learned a little bit about Paras. For now, let's start exploring this NFT marketplace. The first one is how to access this platform. Firstly, please make sure that we switch to the Star network, then click on the login button in the top right corner. Currently, Paras is supporting several wallets on the Polkadot ecosystem such as Subwallet, Talisman, Polkadot.js, and Nova Wallet. I will use Subwallet as a main wallet in this video today. Now, in front of us is the overview interface of Paras. Launchpad is the place to display the upcoming NFT collections on this platform. When scrolling down in the What's Happening section, we can update the latest Paras news on the Star Network in particular and Polkadot in general. Next, Explore is a feature that helps us discover interesting things happening on Paras. With it, Collections will help us keep an overview of all the collections available on the current Paras. And Cards will help us keep track of each NFTs currently on Paras. And for optimization, we can do an advanced search with the filter provided in the left sidebar. Well, we can buy any NFT minted by the creator or from collectors. There are two ways we can own NFT: by buying placed price, or we can make an offer to them. And if we are lucky, we find some free NFTs. Buying an NFT in Paras is also very simple. And first, we choose our favorite NFT collection. And here we have the Usagi Star Dichin set, which is quite impressive. And to get started, we click on that set of NFTs. We choose an NFT that we want to buy, then click Buy Now. Then continue to press the Buy and Confirm buttons to confirm the total amount to be spent, including the gas fee. And that's it. We already have an NFT on the Paras marketplace. It's also very easy to create our own NFT cards on Paras. At first, click on the account icon in the top right corner, then click on the Create Card or Create Collection button. The next step is to filling in all information in the blanks. Then we just need to click on Continue to confirm and wait for a few seconds to complete our transaction. That's all. Now we have our own collection on Paras. And if we want to view it, let's click on our account icon again. Then choose View Profile and Collection. And here we go. Our collections are all displayed in this area. Alright guys, that's a video about how to use Paras, an NFT marketplace on the Star Network as well as the Polkadot ecosystem. And if you really enjoyed the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pagoda Insider for more insightful and interesting videos. Bye, see you soon.